Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack wheel assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack wheel assembly. There are 8 wheels that support the lower dish rack, allowing it to be rolled in and out. If one or more of the wheels breaks, the dish rack, when it's loaded, could get jammed. Open the door. Pull out the lower dish rack and place it on a workable surface. If the old wheel is still hooked on, use the flat blade screwdriver and pry it off. This is the old lower dish rack wheel assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Clean the wheel seat and snap the new dish rack wheel on. Install the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.